Greetings from Guatemala, from Antigua. For the last year, we've been using the Wagan Tech 1200 Cube, Lithium Cube 1200, and that's been unkillable. Very robust, excellent design. We use it for charging cameras, running blenders, hair cutters, computers, you name it. This is what we've been using, and we've been really impressed with it. So Wagan decided to send us the smaller version, the little baby version, the 325. This has been on a tour around Mexico already, but it eventually made it to us, so we decided to unbox it for you right now here in Antigua. Yeah, I think there was even an instruction manual here for us to ignore. Oh, it's cute! Oh, dude, look at this thing! Oh, that's awesome. Oh, que lindo! Oh, that is. Oh, I can see that. Yeah, well, you know, I think right off the bat we might as well just put a sticker on it that says Keelan, property of Keelan. Jessica uses, they've got it called a V10 ion boost. It's actually to do jump start vehicles, but Jessica uses a permanent charger for her phone. Not that she's always on her phone, it's more like her battery's pretty bad. But anyway, well, that's cute. Alright, that's really nice. You can get some close-ups on that if you want. Alright. So it seems it's pretty much got all the features. It's got all the features of the larger cube, just a little bit more compact and cute. Oh, look at that.
Put it on top of the other one.
Yeah. Alright. So
size comparison.
Size comparison. So between the two of these, all of our power situations or requirements are sorted. So we've got the Wagan solar panel that we can just pop out anywhere. That'll charge that really quickly, I think. A couple of hours, that'll be fully charged, ready to go. Yeah, this is excellent. I can tell you now that these are going to be with us for a long, long time. All right, we'll keep you up to date with it and tell you how it performs and what we like about it, what we don't like about it. From off the bat, I can tell you already if it's the same design as the 1200, and that's a very good compact design. It just fits. Nothing sticks out. Nothing's in the wrong place. You can use it in any orientation. It's really robust. So we're looking forward to using Lithium Cube.